Your very first cast could feel effortless and your odds of catching a fish instantly doubled. It all comes down to choosing the right beginner rod and reel. And today, I'm going to show you the exact combo I hand to every new angler, including my own grandkids. If you're new here, I'm Captain Kevin, and you might just learn something new here today. If you do, smash that thumbs up button. If you're brand new or you're teaching a kid or a grandkid, this video is going to save you hours of frustration and show you the one setup that delivers quick wins on day one. Most beginners don't fail because fishing is hard. They fail because the gear works against them. Quick wins come from using gear designed to help beginners cast smoothly and avoid those tangles. Walk into any Bass Pro Shops, Cabela's, or Academy, and almost every spincast combo is right hand only. But the truth is, you should always hold your rod in your dominant hand. Most rods on store shelves force beginners into the wrong hand position, which makes casting feel awkward and inconsistent. Right-handed anglers should be reeling with their left hand. Left-handed anglers should be reeling with their right. But most spincast reels don't give you that option. When the crank is on the wrong side, casts lose accuracy, line control suffers, and learning becomes harder than it needs to be. Here's the setup that fixes all that instantly. The Zebco 33 Micro. My grandson is right-handed, and my oldest granddaughter is left-handed. And this one reel works perfectly for both of them. The Zebco 33 Micro solves this with a reversible handle that swaps sides in a minute. Perfect for families with both right and left-handed anglers. It doesn't feel bulky or awkward. Beginners cast comfortably within minutes. Its lightweight frame makes it easy for kids, beginners, and casual anglers to cast confidently. Push the button, cast, and reel. No bail timing, no backlashes, and no wind knots. Push button casting means no finger timing, no bail flipping, and no line twist. And the best part, it comes pre-spooled. You open the box and you're fishing. And because it's pre-spooled from the factory, you're ready to start fishing immediately.
One thing I really like about the Zebco 33 Micro Combo is that it comes with a two-piece rod. It makes it super easy to break down for travel in a small vehicle. Just rubber band the two rod sections together so they don't get separated. When you're ready to fish, plug the pieces back together and run your line through the guides. Simple and clean.
Now let's talk about why spincast beats spinning and bait cast reels for beginners. Spinning reels are powerful tools, but beginners struggle with bail timing, finger release timing, and wind knots, and line twist. They're best once you've had a few successful trips under your belt. Bait casters are amazing tools once you know how to use them, but for beginners, they're tangle machines. Bait casters offer the most control, but also the quickest paths of backlashes and bird nests. They require thumb control and timing that develops later. That's why spincast reels are the beginner superpower. Spincast reels remove all the complexity. Push button casting, zero timing. No backlashes, no wind knots, just simple, fun fishing with instant success. You know what makes people fall in love with fishing? Success. Early success. When beginners get that first bite, that first fish, that first moment where it clicks, they're hooked, literally and figuratively. And this setup creates those moments fast. I've handed this setup to total beginners, kids, adults, grandparents, and within minutes they're casting like they've been doing it for years. If I could put one rod and reel in every beginner's hands and guarantee they'd have a great first trip, it's the Zebco 33 Micro. It's simple, it's intuitive, it's beginner-proof, and it just works. Grab a Zebco 33 Micro, hit the water, and enjoy your first successful day of fishing. If you want more beginner tips and simple gear breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you out there on the water. And if you want to make your small catches look huge in a picture, check out this video here.